Hey everyone, Bartender Bruce here. You know, you might remember me from such famous episodes as the Monkey Gland, the Hotsy Totsy Cocktail, the Harvey Wallbanger, and well, there's quite a few out there, so you need to check them out. Anyway, recently we made the ultimate pear syrup, and today we're going to make a glorious cocktail, okay? This drink is so velvety and elegant, and it's a Bruce original, so let's make it. First thing we want to do, I've got an egg white ready to go, and we're gonna put that in our cocktail shaker. Pop a lid on, and we're just gonna dry shake to emulsify that egg white, okay? Looking good. Next thing we want to do is add our booze. We're going to add an ounce of brandy. Galliano, half an ounce. DOMAINE de Canton, a quarter ounce. That's our ginger liqueur, premium ginger liqueur, and I love it. Before we go any further, we gotta chill our glass. Our little coupe glass here, just with some ice, all right? Now, we want some lemon. About a quarter ounce. That's probably gonna yield me a quarter ounce there. Right into the glass. I'm thinking I'm there. And our star ingredient, our ultimate pear syrup. And you know, if you want to make your own, check out the link here and make it, because it's absolutely delightful. We want 1 ounce. Perfect. Okay, add some ice. And shake it terrifically. Ha! Yeah! Shake it for real and give it a good shake. I'm liking it, yeah. All right, now what we want to do is get rid of this ice and just strain it out. Oh yeah, look at that velvet beauty. Oh yeah, sweet. And we're gonna garnish with a little star anise floating on top, and a pinch of cinnamon. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is so well balanced. The pear is just coming through nicely. And the pear, the pear syrup wasn't really that sweet to begin with. The brandy warms it up. You know, it kind of sounds like an autumn drink, but really it's an anytime drink. If you're looking for more recipes using my syrups, I post them in my monthly newsletter available to my patrons on Patreon. So become one of my patrons and check it out. Yeah. You gotta make one. I'm loving it. cocktail shaker. Pop a lid on. Whoa. My seal came off. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. My seal. Oh, shit. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, you gotta make my Velvet Pear. Why? Because it's absolutely luscious. Really, really well balanced. Check some other videos out, hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends. And they'll tell other friends. And then, before you know it, I'll be retired. Just sitting on the porch, drinking my Velvet Pear.